Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Shopkick. Okay, it's also an app. You can get it on the Google Play Store and App Store. And maybe you're trying to figure out, can you make money with Shopkick? Is this a good side hustle? How much money can you really make? Or is this just a waste of time, right? Let's take a look at it. There are lots of different ways to make money online these days. Some of them are great and some of them are just a waste of time. So let's take a look at Shopkick. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars a month, every single month minimum, 100% from home, just go ahead and click on the link below and I will send you that strategy directly to your email if you would like, okay? Now, Shopkick is a cool app. It's been around for many years, over a decade, okay? At the time of recording this video. Unfortunately, it's only available in the US currently, so it's not international. If you live outside the US, then unfortunately this particular app is not going to be very useful for you. But if you're American and you live in the States, then it's pretty cool, okay? Now, the way that it works is once you download the app, then basically on your app itself, you're going to see different shops for different locations where you're at. So if you're living in LA or you're living in New York City or in a suburban area, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna see a whole bunch of shops that are gonna pop up. Now, there are multiple ways that you can earn what's called kick points on this app, okay? So first of all, you can scan products and scan real receipts. So they have to be real, they can't be pictures. You have to be in the actual store to scan the actual product, and you can scan real receipts. You can't scan a picture of a receipt, you'll get in trouble for doing that, okay? And for every product that you scan and every receipt that you scan, you'll get a certain amount of kick points. The reason why they do that is because it gives them market research data, right? It gives them your shopping information so that they can use that for other clients. Another way that you can earn money or you can earn kick points is through cashback, all right? So they have a whole bunch of retailers that they work with, like CVS, 7-Eleven, Walmart, Whole Foods, Ross, Circle K, Walgreens, all the big guys are on there, right? And you can save a little bit of money for spending money through their app instead of buying it directly from, say, Starbucks or Walmart, for example. So they're going to give you some cash back in terms of kick points, and then you can turn that into points later on. And we'll talk about how much money you can really make from Shopkick, okay? Another way to earn is something called paid offers, okay? Paid offers is basically when you download an offer, but the problem with offers is that you always have to jump through a few hoops before you get value from that offer. So for example, they might say, okay, download this game and we're gonna pay you $5 in terms of points, but you have to reach level 30 on this game before you can get those points. Or if you want to get, for example, $50 off a particular product, you have to spend $150 in order for you to do that. So some of these offers are interesting, but you have to jump through a few hoops. Sometimes you have to, spend your own money. Sometimes you have to put down your credit card. Sometimes you have to get to a certain level in a game before you can actually get kick points to save or get some money. So offers are okay, but that's another way that you can earn potentially, okay? So 3 different ways: scanning products, scanning receipts, cashback, and paid offers. These are the main ways that you can earn through Shopkick, all right? Now, the cool thing that I like about Shopkick is they work with a lot of partners, right? So if you're based in the US, they've got the map function, the location function, GPS. So it's pretty cool. You don't have to run 50 miles in order to run into a 7-Eleven and take a picture. They will literally say 50 meters away, there's a CVS. You can just walk in there and you can, scan some products and, earn some kick points with us, which I think is very cool, all right? Now, how much do you need to make in order for you to withdraw your money, all right? So the way that it works with Shopkick is that roughly 1,250 kick points is equivalent to $5 US, okay? So 2,500 kick points is equivalent to $10. Now, the nice thing about Shopkick is that there are multiple ways for you to withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money through gift cards from, again, people like Walgreens, Whole Foods, Walmart, Amazon, things like that. Or you can request for your money through PayPal, which means that you get the money in cash directly to your PayPal account. Every single method has a different threshold. Some of them are $1, some of them are $5, and some of them are $10 in order for you to withdraw through that particular method. But the nice thing is that they've got multiple methods in order for you to do that, okay? Now the big question is how much money can you really make? I mean, if you're out there, really working this app, you know, like you're out there shopping every single day, you're scanning your receipts, you're scanning products, you're shopping in their partner stores to get cash back, and you're downloading the paid offers, how much money can you really make? Well, here's the thing, right? The reality is that these kind of apps, because they're free, okay, they can't pay you that many kick points out, right? So if you're spending 1 or 2 hours a day on this app and you're buying products like you always purchase and you're scanning products and things like that, expect to make, you know, $1 or $2 a day maximum, okay? Because it's a free product, right? It's a free service, and so they can't pay out a ton of money, but they do pay out. That's the thing. Okay, so you can rack up the points equivalent to probably $1 to $2, $3 a day if you're very, very active, which means that if you have a $10 threshold on PayPal, for example, you could probably do that in a week. Okay, so roughly about that. So if you go about your daily use and you're withdrawing anyway, about a week you can get about $10, right? So it's not life-changing income, but it does allow you to save a little bit of money and get some money back through cashback options, right? Now, let's take a look at some of the reviews on Shopkick, okay? Now, here's the interesting thing about Shopkick. Even though it's been around for a long time, they've got pretty so-so reviews. You know, it's about 2.7 out of 10. You can see that on Trustpilot is a very good third-party review application, and 2.7% is not that great. You know, they have 50% 5-star, but they also have quite a lot of 1, 2, and 3-star ratings, right? Excuse me. So some people have some great experience, but the rest don't really have good experience. Okay, so you can see that 1 star there. You can see another 1 star there. This is more recent as well. You know, 1 star there. You know, 5-star there. 1 star there. You know, 5-star, 2-star, 1 star. Okay, and so you know, let me just explain. A lot of the 1 stars, right? They're always complaining about the customer service. They're always saying things like, my account got banned randomly. You know, I did a scan and it was wrong, and so my account got suspended. I tried to get back in touch with Shopkick. They never got back in touch with me. They didn't change anything, you know, so their customer service is a bit of a problem, right? So the thing about Shopkick is when it works, right? So some people, they've been using Shopkick for like 10 years, no problem, and all of a sudden they did a wrong scan, their account got banned, and they couldn't get back on, which is a bit of a pain in the butt, right? So if it works for you and you're doing everything okay, then you're gonna get paid out and everything's great. But if you make a mistake and you lose your account or you get suspended, to get it back or to get paid is gonna be a bit of a headache. And that, I think, is the main problem with Shopkick, according to the feedback from Trustpilot. And this is real feedback from real people. Okay, so again, I used to love Shopkick, but not anymore. Again, so it's one of those things. They're having some issues with their customer service and delivery. All right, but some people are still getting some great service. You can see 5 stars there, 4 stars there, but quite a few 1 and 2 stars as well. Okay, so here's what I would say. Shopkick is a pretty cool app, right? When it works, it's cool. If you're based in the US, you can make some money. Are you gonna get rich through this? No, absolutely not, because, you know, cashback apps and scanning receipts, unfortunately, they can't pay you that much money. You can make a couple of dollars a day, you know, if you're really hustling on the app, but are you going to make thousands of dollars? Absolutely not. There's no way that this can become full-time income because it's not designed to do that, okay? But for what it is, it's really great. If you live in the US, a lot of options, a lot of variation, and when it works, it works. When it doesn't, unfortunately, customer service can be a little bit difficult. So completely up to you whether you would like to check out Shopkick or not. All right. Now, if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make real side income. Maybe you're looking to make like thousands of dollars a month, not a couple of bucks here, a couple of bucks there. Listen, there are lots of different ways to make money full-time right now. Side hustle online. We live in the day and age where we're in the new economy. Technology is so powerful. There's a lot of ways. You don't necessarily need to work a full-time job anymore, okay? And I've been doing this for over a decade online, and out of all the strategies that I've tried, there is still one strategy that I love to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars a month minimum, 100% from home. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. And if you would like to check out that strategy, I'll send it to you for free. Just click the link below and I'll send that directly to your email if you would like to check it out. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Shopkick today, and I will see you on another review. Take care.